Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. Thaisn here. Today I'm here to talk about how to make word art design. So let's just get into a Google Chrome. So here all you have to do is just type here art, word art design.com. So here you can see wordart.com, word cloud art creator. So this is the first link. Actually you can see wordart.com. Just click on that. So here you can see this is how actually we can, in many shapes we can create. This is the page. So it's really amazing. So what I'll do is, now already I have sign up here, so it shows my name here. So if you want to sign up, just give your email ID, you will get into this. Now what I'm going to do is, now just click on create now. And here we have to just click on this create button. Here you can see this is the page, how it will look like. So all we have to do is just you have to give name here. For example, let me give me Thaisn. I'll give Begum. Here you can give how much words you want, you can give. I'll just type here learn and third word explore. And next if I press on enter, I'll just type here grow high. So all I have, it is in the filter, I have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is asking me the size actually, how much big I want and all that. I'll just give 2 random numbers. If you want to actually have other numbers bigger than, actually you will have according to your own taste and according to your wish you can have it. Okay, so it is asking me the decolor actually. So what I'll do is I'll click on decolor and choose any one. I'll just make it fast and choose colors for each and everything. So let me choose any color. It's up to you what color you want to choose. Okay, now I have done giving colors actually, and then the point comes to angle. You can just select any angle. Okay, so you can actually just give any angle, like actually 40, 30, 45, 34, just 55. So then the point comes to what is it called, fonts. So you can give any font, what is it called, font size and all that. And now here the point comes to, you want all the letters to be in uppercase or lowercase, or you want to capitalize, you can do all that actually. So let me click on uppercase and let me select a shape first. Here in many, what is the category has been given here actually, emojis are here, geometric, people, school, all that actually. I'll just click on transport. So let's see, look how. So here you can see many transports are available. Let me choose any one transport. So let me select this, and then the point comes to fonts. In the font you can just select any one font. So let me just select this random, and the then point comes to layout, how you want it to be. I'll just click on random, or you can click on horizontal and all that. And then the point comes to style. Here you can see word colors we have already actually decided. Shape color, it is asking custom. If you want to custom, you can custom. So now the color emphasis, how much you want it darker or actually light, however you want, you can do it. And then there comes points to background color. So let me, background color, if you want, you can choose it and you can click on apply. If you want to actually make a transparent, it doesn't look good actually. This has to be very light. I'll just choose any light color. If you want the background to be transparent, just click on this transparent, actually it will become transparent. So let us see actually how it looks transparent. And then the point comes to background image. Actually if you want, how much you want to actually, what is it called, the color should be fade or how you want, you can make it out. Then the point comes to animation speed. If you want to rotate all that, you can just If you want to rotate, you can rotate, or else actually if you don't want, you can just unclick that. And roll over text color, actually how you want, you can select any color. Actually if you roll over on that, it should change the color. So this is all about. So once you're done with this, actually all you have to do is just click on visualize. So friends, you can see this is how it's going to look like, because we have given what is it called, actually transparent background. So let me download this and actually have a look on it. So I'll just click on standard PNG form. So it is downloaded. So this is how it's gonna look actually. If you don't want transparent actually, then all you have to do is, here you can see undo transparent. If I click, so this is how it's gonna look actually. So now what I'm going to do is, let's just click on download standard PNG or JPG, whichever file you want, you can just have it. So here is the one actually how it's gonna look. So according to your taste, you can make using shapes and all that. For example, hope you all have enjoyed the session actually. Take care and bye bye.